Welcome to Red Fox Education's Summertime Fun. Are you ready for an unforgettable week of learning, creativity, and adventure? Our camp is tailored for young learners aged 6 to 12 years old. It's not just any ordinary summer camp, it's an opportunity for your child to embark on a journey of exploration and growth. In this summer camp, your child will develop their conversational English, engage in some creative writing, and embark on a reading journey. Here at Red Fox Education, we believe in the power of language. Our conversational English classes provide a fun and immersive environment for children to practice their English skills with confidence. And what's a summer camp without sparking imagination and creativity? In our creative writing workshops, children unleash their imagination and bring their stories to life. And of course, every day ends with our beloved story time, where we transport children to magical worlds through the power of storytelling. So, if you're aged between 6 and 12 and ready for a week of learning, laughter, and making memories, join us at Red Fox Education's Summertime Fun Camp. Reserve your spot today and let's make this summer unforgettable.